package from Luxury Wellness. I have not had any time recently to do any unboxings because I'm dealing with my new business and it takes up a lot of my time. It's busy season. Um, but the moment I opened this and saw all this cute stuff, I figured I should. As a matter of fact, I'm not even ready to do an unboxing because my nails are half done. Like I was painting today because of my business, and so I lost some polish. Anyway, but this is so cute that I've got to document it. Look how cute it is. Let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. Look at the cute stuff in there. Is that a scarf? I don't know. Okay, I'll be right back. Also, because of my business, I haven't been purchasing much from a lot of people because I have employees to pay and I'm a little broke. But anyway, so don't get your feelings hurt if I haven't bought from you recently. I just can't. All right, so I got some candy and a mini bubble bar. Look at that. And I'll tell you right now, this is gonna fill my whole tub up with bubbles because I've had her bubble bars before and I typically don't like bubble bars, but her bubble bars really give me bubbles. I've used this much before and it's filled up my tub off of a bigger bubble bar. So all right, so what do we have here? So we have a cute little scarf. She's so sweet. Look at that. I'm all about it. All about it. Thank you, Mama. All right, so what else is in here? Please don't pay me any attention as far as my nails. I only got a few things. So I'm going to, by the magic of television, come back and all this stuff is going to be unwrapped. All right, we're back. So let's talk about the amazingness that's in here. So first off, I got this bath bomb here. It's called zombie popcorn bath bomb. It's scented in buttery popcorn and butter bomb. I usually do not go for the food scented, maybe fruit scented, but not regular food scented items because I don't like to smell like food. However, this thing was just too awesome not to get. I mean, come on, look at that. It's so cute. And you guys know I'm all about the Halloween, so the next item that I have is called Do No Evil, scented in Prince Charming. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to use this one tonight. Look at that. It's so freaking cute. I love it. Love it. Then I purchased two Oopsie Bombs because her Oopsie Bombs are never oopsies. Like, I'm not really sure what the oops is here. Not really sure. This one is in pear champagne. The next one, they're $4.50 for the Oopsie Bombs. This one here is peaches in autumn. I don't know, again, what the oops is. And when I use her Oops Bombs, they never, ever disappoint. So I'm not really sure what the deal is, but it is super cute. And I'm not one of those to buy the big, huge bath bombs that put way too much stuff in my water. That's just not for me. So I usually buy smaller bombs. This one here, Out of This World. First of all, it smells amazing. It's scented in rainbow sherbet, but I saw a demo of this online on Instagram. And I just was like, I have to have it. I must have it. I must. All right. And then she sent me a little freebie. She's just too freaking awesome. I love her fairy breads and magical fairy breads, I believe it's called. Mini fair bread. Goodbye Summer. They are just amazing to look at in the tub. And look at that shimmer. Look at it. Okay, so what did we have? This free gift. Thank you so much, Josie. I'm not ashamed to admit that I do consider her a friend. And so that's my boo. But however, I'm not, those of you that know Luxury Wellness know that I'm not lying when I say her stuff is the shiz, because it is. Look how cute that is. And then we had Do No Evil. Come on, guys. Come on. That's amazing. Then we had what was it called? Zombie popcorn. Awesome. We had the Oopsie Bomb in pear champagne. These are perfect sizes for me. I don't need the big, huge ones, meaning as you look at this, you probably can tell it's smaller than some of the other bath bombs that I have shown, but they're perfect because they fill my tub up as if it was a big, huge bath bomb. And the scent on this, the scent on this, Peaches and Autumn. I can't wait to try that one. And the last one that I have is Out of This World UFO Bath Bomb. It's super adorable. Love it. And then, of course, she gave me a cute little scarf. And we have the bubble bar and some candy. So that's it from Luxury Wellness. And I just had to show you guys, even though I haven't really been doing too many unboxings, because it's just awesome. Talk to you guys on the next one.